Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Microsoft Outlook email to your Dubsado account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Microsoft Outlook to Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that switching between your CRM and email can be time consuming. And with Dubsado, you can link your Microsoft Outlook so you can send emails directly from Dubsado. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Microsoft Outlook email, up here on the top right, click on this gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this menu to the left, and you want to click on emails. Once you click on emails, you're going to click on this button, connect with Microsoft. Okay, next, Microsoft's going to open up the browser. So go ahead and enter in your Microsoft Outlook email address here, and then click on next. Okay, next, Microsoft's going to ask for you to confirm signing in. Go ahead and click on confirm. Okay, next, Microsoft Outlook is going to ask if you're okay with these permissions being given to your Dubsado account. If so, click on accept. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into my Dubsado, and you can see Microsoft Outlook email is now connected to my Dubsado account. You can also choose to turn this on. So basically, if somebody replies to you in your Microsoft Outlook, it'll appear in your Dubsado account. I'm not going to do that for this particular video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Microsoft Outlook email to your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.